Hello friends, welcome to the another tutorial of Graph Gallery. In this tutorial, I will show how we can create a calendar heat map in R. In this tutorial, I will prepare a 2021 rainfall heat map in calendar format. To create a calendar heat map, we will use calendar package. The package is very straightforward to use, as it only contains a function named the same way as the package calendar. By default, if no argument is specified, the function will create a calendar of the current year in landscape, and all the text will be in the language of your system. Now let's start it. If you have not installed the package yet, then the first step is to install the package. You can install package calendar R using syntax install.packages. Then the next step is to load the required library, and the next to set up the working directory. In my case, the data is in the directory created. I loaded the data for rainfall 2021 using the syntax read.csv. Let's check the format of the data. In the datasets, it's contain two columns, date and second is rainfall for that particular date. Then using a single function calendar, you can create a calendar with different defined variable. Let's first plot the calendar heat map. So this is the calendar heat map for my city from February to December 31st, January 1st to December 31st. Now let's check the arguments for this calendar heat map. All the arguments are self-explanatory. First, you can specify desired year on the year argument. Then title for the title of the graph. Here in my case, daily rainfall in my city in 2020-21. Then the font size of the title is title.size. And the color of the title is title.col. And you can specify as the color. Then you can define the week names as for Sunday S, Monday M, Tuesday T, or as a default like a full name. The start of weekdays, weeks on the calendar will start on Sunday by default. But if you prefer, you can set the argument start as M to obtain the calendar plot where the week starts on Monday instead of Sunday. Then you can define the color of the lines of the calendar. This line, type of the calendar like dash, or then background of the names of the month. Then the color of the text in the month name, like in this case there is a white. And then font family for all the text used for the graph, and then font style of the text except the subtitle. Then color of the names of the all days in the week, here is black. Then color of the number of days, here color is a black in days. Then size of the number of days, here font size. Now as special days, we have to define our data, the column that data contain. Here's a rain, there is a column rainfall, and there is a daily rainfall value. So I use special day as a rainfall. So it's a vector of the same length as the number of days of that particular year. Then set the gradient true or false for the legend of the heat map. Then the special color to be plot on the value. So in the case of precipitation, I use as a blue. Then the legend position is now I'm using as a right. Then legend title, now I'm using it a title of the legend. And then orientation of the plot, that is portrait in my case. You can change the position of the legend from like right to bottom, and if you run again the code, then this will plot a map legend at the bottom of the plot here, like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching the video.